Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use motion tracking on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created on CapCut. And if you want to use motion tracking feature, we can add tag, sticker, or emoji to our video. And we can use the motion tracking feature to track an object. For example, I'm going to use tags. I'm going to select tags and then add text. And then I'm just going to type in follow me. I'm going to make this tags follow the moving object. And I'm going to make it align with my video like this. And I'm going to place it here. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the motion tracking feature. You can also use emoji or sticker guys to track the moving object. We can select tracking and then we can choose the object that we want to track. And then we can choose start tracking. Unfortunately, this feature is not free, so you need to subscribe to CapCut to use this feature on your editing. But don't worry, because after this, I'm going to show you the free method to track an object on CapCut. Okay, and let's see the result, guys. As you can see that the tags follow the moving object. And if you're not pro user, I'm going to show you another way. I'm going to delete the text first and I'm going to add text. Okay, and then you can use keyframe guys. I'm going to make it align with my video. And you can use the keyframe feature to track an object. And you need to manually make the text follow moving object. I'm going to click on keyframe and I'm going to adjust the text like this. Make sure that the text follow the moving object. Okay, but you need to adjust it one by one guys until the rest of the video. If you use the motion tracking feature, it can track the moving object automatically, but using this keyframe, you need to do it manually. Okay, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use motion tracking on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.